So whenever I create a new project right here, let's say for example, if I were to select out YouTube cover right here and click on create, then one artboard is created. But what you can also do is you can create out multiple artboards in Photopea right here. So let's just go around and then zoom out right here, and then around over here on the top, there you can see that move tool is an option right here. But if I were to click and hold, then you can see that Artboard tool is another option right here. So you can choose around the let's say for example another color for the background, and then simply draw out an artboard right here just like this as well. So that's the black color right here. Let's just go for transparent, and then you got a transparent right here just like this. So this is how you can go ahead and create out artboards. As you can see right here, press the plus button and then you got other artboard, press the plus button and then you got other artboard. You can resize out this artboard as well just like this, and the artboards can be overlapped as well, and this is what you have. So if you want to see multiple pieces of projects in one project right here just like this, then you can utilize Artboard. And now what you can do is you can simply go around and start working on these, and these becomes individual projects right here. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the Artboard tool in order to create and manage artboard inside a Photopea. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.